Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to move, reposition or attach your cabinet in AiHouse. So under custom function, whether you are using kitchen, wardrobe or system cabinet, when you press Z to your keyboard, Z, and you will notice up here we'll have these three functions, three axis movement, point capture and edge capture. So for the first function, 3-axis movement, so let's say I have another cabinet here, this cabinet. Okay, using this function, you will see this arrow. So you can move your cabinet along the X, Y, and Z axis. When you click, you can move your cabinet to the right, to the left, and also to the back and to the front. And you can also rotate your camera, and you will notice you will have the rotation angle that you can refer or follow. And also up here you have this arrow where you can adjust the elevation. Okay, and you will notice the elevation box numbers will change. Okay, so that is for the 3-axis movement. And next we have the point capture. Point capture will allow you to snap or attach your cabinet using the points. Okay, so when you click on the point capture, so let's say I want to attach this cabinet to this cabinet. Okay, when you click on the point capture, you will notice you will have the green circle or green point here that indicates the points. So you select to the point, just select to the point, and it will bring your cabinet to your target cabinet. Okay, so you need to bring to your target cabinet, and you will notice it will change to red. When you select on the point, it will change to red, and one click, so your cabinet is now attached. Okay, and also if you want to attach to your wall cabinet, okay, just click on the point and select to the target point, one click, and you will have your cabinet attached like this. Okay, so you can also attach your super panel or move your super panel by using this point capture. Let's say you want to create a backsplash here, so just click on the one point and select your target point, and it will move your super panel to this cabinet. So that is for the point capture. For the edge capture, so you can click Z to cancel, and for the edge capture, click on the edge capture. For edge capture, you can move or attach your cabinet by using this edge from one edge to another edge. So when you select on the edge, it will turn into the purple color, and so you need to select your target side. Okay, make sure it turns into the purple color, and it will automatically attach to the edge that you select lah. Okay, so let's say you want to move to the front. Okay, so you need to select to this point and select to your target side, and it will move towards your target side. Okay, so that is for the three function, 3-axis movement, point capture and edge capture. Just press Z to cancel the function. So that's all. Happy trying. Bye bye.